dream trips, we make them glow. From castle seas and city views, we plan it all for you. Castle Explorers.
Hey, it's Kim with Castle Explorers. We are here on the Disney Destiny, and we are going to show you around a hero suite. Now, there are only 2 of these on board where they are 2 stories, and let me tell you, you can already see it behind me, but this room is absolutely incredible. This is hero themed. You're going to see sprinkles of Iron Man throughout, and like I said, it's incredible. So let's go check it out. We are here in the bathroom, which you can tell is a step above from what we've shown you on other staterooms. Look at this amazing soaking tub. This is like the tub of my dreams. I would love this in my home. We've got a beautiful granite marble. I'm not sure what this is, but it's gorgeous. Shower. Now the difference in the amenities in this bathroom is they are not your typical Disney shampoo, conditioner, body wash. They are this higher class. I don't even know how to say that, but it is a step above, of course. And you've got the bathrobes in here. It's absolutely like, this is like the bathroom I would love to have in my own home. All right, so we just showed you the first bedroom that is on the second floor. We thought that was it until we looked across the hallway and there's a whole another bedroom. Now they both feel like master suites because they have walk-in closets and a full bathroom with soaking tub, shower, toilet room. We can't decide which one's the true master because they just equally are both gorgeous and have a ridiculous amount of space in here. Obviously, they still have the storage under the bed. This bedding is beautiful with those dark jewel tones. Love this light above the bed. We love that this is a king size bed. Now, very similar to the other suites that I showed you, it is a true king. It's not twin beds shoved together with an awkward crack between you. The closet over here, I don't know how anyone would bring this much clothes on their cruise, but there's space for it if they do. This bathroom on this particular side is much longer as well. So you can see there's a lot of space in this one. We are here in the third bedroom on the Hero Suite second floor. And as you can see, it's for the kids. This might be the coolest bunk room I've ever seen. This would be so cool to wake up as a kid. But what's even cooler, well, first, they have their own bathroom, which is pretty awesome. So there's a toilet and a full shower in there. And I'm gonna show you the coolest thing yet. When the kids go to sleep, if they need a little night light, there are these amazing twinkling stars on the ceiling. My kids would absolutely love that. Well, these stars actually make Iron Man. If you can see, we've got his head, his heart, his light heart, and the light in his hand. Very cool. I love all the touches that Disney does on all of their ships. I would say this one is just even a step above the other ships that we've seen. We know that this Hero Suite here on the Disney Destiny is above and beyond what most families need, especially our families that book with Castle Explorers. So we have many other rooms on this ship that we have tours of that we think are going to be a perfect fit for your family. You can check one out right here.